Friends, myself Professor Pandit Shinde from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune, Department of Engineering Sciences. So today we discuss the topic partial differentiation. So it is one of the derivative. So how to find out the partial differentiation? Before that, when we take the partial differentiation, we know the derivative, we know the differentiation. So up to now we know the difference like as y is equal to f of x. So we differentiate directly, dy by dx is equal to something like this. So such type of differentiation is called as ordered differentiation. Why this term partial differentiation come to in picture and why it is needed? Because if suppose our function like as, suppose u is equal to some function of f of xy, u is equal to some function of f of xy, or some u is equal to function of f of x, y, z, three variable function, two variable function. Means what happen here? U is a function of two independent variables. Means here u is a function of two independent variable x and y. Clear? We know. Now I am just saying differentiate u. So again come in mind, differentiate u means either differentiate u with respect to x, at that time what about the y, and differentiate u with respect to y, at that time what about the x. Definitely question in mind, because I know if there is like as question, suppose y is equal to f of x and I am saying differentiate it, so definitely I am writing directly dy by dx is equal to some f dash of x here, because y is a function of only one independent variable and such type of differentiation is called as ordered differentiation. But what happened here? U is a function of two variables now. If there are two variables, in such a cases, differentiate with respect to x, then what about the y? If there is y, then what about the x? In such cases, such type of derivative is here. It is a partial derivative. Meaning is in the word partial. Partial means what? Partially. Means differentiate u partially with respect to x, keeping y constant. Means what? Differentiate x with respect to u with respect to x, keeping y constant is same as differentiate u with respect to x as an ordinary differentiation, at that time keeping y constant only. Means suppose there is a means notation, first we see the notation and then go move towards the our actual example. So here differentiate u partially with respect to x written as da by u by da by x. Also that dou u by dou x. Here, but I am using the pronunciation da by u by da by x. What do you mean by this? Da by u by da by x means differentiate u partially with respect to x. Means when we take the differentiation, at that time keeping or treating y as a constant and take actual differentiation. No problem. Also second notation is like this. Da by u by da by x. Also write down like this. Y suffix. What do you mean by this again? Differentiate u partially with respect to x, at that time keeping y constant. Also the second notation is u of x. Means u suffix x. Second notation is u suffix x means partial derivative of u with respect to x. And when we take a derivative, there is a word partial. Means जब भी हम derivative लेंगे तब other variable कौन होना चाहिए. In general cases, जिसके विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू पार्शियल डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं, जिस वेरिएबल के विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू पार्शियल डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं, वही वेरिएबल बाकी सारे कांस्टेंट एट द टाइम ऑफ डेरिवेटिव. क्लियर? मींस दो वेरिएबल 3 होंगे, 4 होंगे, 5, व्हाटएवर इज देयर, हाउ मेनी टाइप ऑफ वेरिएबल्स, 1 2 3 4 5, व्हाटएवर द वेरिएबल, बट if you differentiate with respect to x, then x is the variable only at the time of differentiation. Other all variables are constant when we take the differentiation. Now second, differentiate u partially with respect to y. Write down like this. Da by u by da by y. Also second notation is it is da by u by da by y. Other variable is x constant, and next notation is u suffix y. Meaning of all these three are partial derivative of u with respect to y, keeping other variable x is constant. This is a partial derivative of u with respect to y, partial derivative of u with respect to y, keeping x constant. Everywhere अगर मेंशन किया नहीं किया तो भी other variable constant दिए at the time partial derivative. Now this is for the two variables. Now move towards the three variables. Suppose u is equal to f of x, y, z. What happened here? Here u is a function of how many variables? Three variables. Three independent variables. U is a function of three independent variable x, y, and z. In such case again, which type of differentiation? Partial differentiation. So what I want to tell to all of you, if there is a more than one independent variable then there is a partial differentiation. वहां पे कौन डिफरेंस आने वाला है? पार्शियल डिफरेंस आने वाला है. सो देयरफॉर हाउ डिफरेंशिएट अगेन? तो थ्री वेरिएबल्स, डिफरेंशिएट u partially with respect to x. Clear? This is our first notation. Next, आपने ये नहीं दिया तो ही चलेगा. Differentiate u partially with respect to x at that time keeping y and z constant. Also we mention like this. Differentiate u partially with respect to x. Here is y and z constant, and also second notation is ux. Similarly, what happened? Differentiate u partially with respect to y, clear, and differentiate u partially with respect to z. These are the notations we write down here. Dabba u by dabba z क्या constant होगा? xy is a constant at that time. Means short, keep in mind one trick is जिस वेरिएबल के with respect to partial derivative ले रहे हैं वही वेरिएबल है at the time of derivative one when we taking derivative, other all are constant. So here dabba u by dabba y means write down as dabba u by dabba y. Here is what is the constant? X and z constant. Here is a uy and this notation is uj. These are the notation of to denote the partial derivative dabba. Clear? Not a d. यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा था dy by dx because it's an ordinary derivative. Here is a partial derivative, so it is dabba u by dabba x, dabba u by dabba y, dabba u by dabba z. Any one notation will there. Don't be confused. कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. कौन सा नोटेशन है तो सबका मीनिंग वही हो रहा है कि डिफरेंस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, y एंड z. कीप इन माइंड अगेन वन मोर टाइम आई रिपीटिंग, जिसके विद रिस्पेक्ट टू डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे वही वेरिएबल एट द टाइम ऑफ डेरिवेटिव, बाकी सारे कांस्टेंट. सो मूव टुवर्ड्स द एग्जांपल. सपोज मैंने पहला क्वेश्चन लिया वहां पे एग्जांपल नंबर 1, फाइंड द पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव ऑफ गिवन फंक्शन. और क्वेश्चन लाइक एज इफ u इज इक्वल टू सम x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर, फाइंड dabba u by dabba x, find dabba u by dabba x, dabba u by dabba y. These two we want to find out. So how to find? Again, what is the given? U is equal to x square plus y square. U is a function of how many independent variable? U is a function of two independent variables. So which type of derivative? Partial derivative. So differentiate u partially with respect to x keeping y constant. Clear? Y constant. So notation is dabba u by dabba x. आप उसे ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो u suffix x, या सेकेंड नोटेशन इज dabba u by dabba x y constant. So डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? क्लियर? मैंने तीनों मेंशन किया, आप कौन सा एक लिखना है. व्हाट इज differentiate u partially with respect to x means x is the variable. So what is the derivative of x square? X square का derivative 2x with respect to x. Y is constant. We know derivative of constant is 0. So therefore answer is 2x. Clear? Now the next, differentiate u. Second, differentiate u partially with respect to y means you want to find out dabba u by dabba y. Dabba u by dabba y. Differentiate u partially with respect to y. So y is the variable, x is constant. So this is our u. Derivative of x square constant. So 0. Y square is 2y. So answer is 2y. Here. So this way find out the partial derivative. And quickly taking the one more example on this. Find if u is equal to like this. Suppose u is equal to some e raised to xyz. E raised to xyz. What happened? U is a function of how many variables? 3 variables. So which type of derivative? Partial derivative. So find out dabba u by dabba x. Next dabba u by dabba y. Next dabba u by dabba z. Clear? So how to find out the partial derivative of this? Again, dabba u by dabba x means partial derivative of this u with respect to x, y and z constant when we take the derivative. So derivative of e raised to x we know e raised to x y z as it is, and the partial derivative of this x y z with respect to x. So क्या होगा? It is e raised to x y z as it is. Partial derivative of this with respect to x is x as it is. Clear? Means y and z as it is, derivative of x is 1. So final answer is yz e raised to xyz. मतलब क्या हुआ? Derivative of e raised to xyz, and with respect to x partially, so it is only yz because derivative of x is 1. Similarly here, again derivative of e raised to xyz as it is, and the derivative of this xyz partially with respect to y, it is x and z constant, derivative of y is 1, so therefore final answer is xz e raised to xyz. Similarly here, derivative of this with respect to z is e raised to xyz as it is, and derivative of this xyz, partial derivative of xyz with respect to z is x and y as it is, derivative of z is 1, so it is xy e raised to xyz. So this way we find out the partial derivative of any function. Just keep in mind one very basic thing is, when we differentiate partially, जिसके with respect to differentiate कर रहे हैं वही variable when we taking the derivative, otherwise all are constant. So constant का derivative क्या होता है? अगर constant में multiply में आया तो as it is आएगा वहां पे common, अगर constant addition में आया तो 0 होगा. Keep in mind this way we find out the partial derivative of any functions. We see the more examples on next video. So thank you.